This is the where is it? It's the Minn Kota 5556 a reinforcement board. So the instructions is this piece actually came with a bunch of bolts and also the reverse reinforcement plate. These are pretty good because these are aluminum. I'll show you. And these screws are longer than the long screws that came with the Minn Kota RTA 55, as you can see here. So this is the one that came with the Minn Kota RTA 55 or 56. I'll show you. These are the longest screw, and you can see it's 1 inch shorter than the one that came with the reinforcement board. So I installed the RTA 55 here, and here is the white board, and you can see there's still about a good 1 inch underneath the board. So this is good because this is the fiberglass is not this thick. So this, as you can see here, this one gives you a clearer picture. So the fiberglass is about this, and then you're gonna have this the nut screw on here very tightly. So that is what you're looking at. And it's gonna, when the trolling motor, the outside edge is put onto this board, it's gonna be 1 inch over the edge of the boat, so it will clear the edge of the boat.